Hello kids, let's learn the prepositions words. In. The toy is in the box. On. The book is on the table. Under. The cat is under the table. Behind. The boy is behind the tree. In front of. The teacher is in front of the student. Between. The pencil is between the notebooks. Next to. The lamp is next to the bed. Near. The boy is near his mother. Above. The birds is above the tree. Below. The dog is below the tree. Inside. The toy is inside the box. Outside. The dog is outside the house. Into. The cat jumps into the box. Out of. The bird flies out of the cage. Over. The airplane flies over the clouds. Across. The boy walks across the road. Around. The bees flies around the flowers. Beside. The chair is beside the table. At. Dad is at home. Like. The moon looks like a ball. To. We go to school. By. The car is by the tree. During. Wear a raincoat during the rain. Among. The child is among the balloons. Against. The ladder is against the wall. With. The girl is with her mom. Without. The boy goes to school without his bag. Before. Wash your hands before dinner. After. We play after school. Through. The train goes through the tunnel. Towards. The boy runs towards the bus. Past. The bicycle goes past the park. Beyond. The hills are beyond the river. Upon. The bird sits upon the fence. Till. We wait till evening. Off. The cat jumps off the chair. You are doing great, kids. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more updates.